probably won't be up in there if I ain't got it on. Now I got my feet up cause I'm on top and niggas hoping that I stop and I'm just that I watching my jacuzzi roll another doobie. See what's new, what's on Netflix, order another movie. See I'm smoking the best shit. Motherfuckers ain't ballin', so they seeing the exit. I stay on my job so you can see I'm up next. Dog, I be going so hard, some say I'm needing some rest. Got so much smoke in my lungs, it ain't supposed to be in my chest. Your niggas talk but don't even be on them jets. Man, they don't even be seeing them checks. But you can tell my eyes with it, nigga. I be getting dope, nigga. All them places that she never give me dope.
Money, clothes, car. I never been this far. It's that other shit the niggas talk about. I never been this
I'm in my granddaddy smoking on that granddaddy. They got an odor like a motor running fantastic. Never the minor things, I'm moving on the finer things. Yellow stone diamond rings, Balmain designer jeans. Chanel frames, Louis stars moving like a mob. I'm getting money, so maybe baby come get a job. So fuck them other bitches, we on the other business. And fuck them other niggas, we had them dollar figures. Versace chains, gold rollies, it's the same game. Racked up, shouted rose bottles every day. Sipping that purple stuff, pushing the pretty lady. Pull up in a Ferrari, this bitch in disbelief. On the road to the riches, another crook in the castle. Only fuck with my niggas, pray we all living lavish. I pray we all living so lavish. I pray we all living